Welcome to Phonics Fun. What sound are we learning today? This is the letter B and it makes the B sound. B, B, B. Can you say it with me? B. B is for bears. B is for baby. B, 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 baby. B is for bicycle. B is for book. B is for bananas. B is for bees. Listen carefully to the words. Can you hear the word that starts with the B sound? Dinosaurs. Seahorse. Bus. Which one was it? Was it dinosaurs, seahorse, or bus? That's right. Bus begins with the B sound. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. He's sounding out some letters but needs help with blending. Let's see if we can help him. B, A, T. Let's help him blend them together to say the word. Bat. B, A, G. Bug. Let's sound out. B, I, T. And blend. Bit. B, I, G. Big. B, A, G. Bag. We have been learning the B sound. This is the letter B and it makes the B sound. Now, when you're at your homes and around and about, maybe you can hear the B sound in some of the words that your grown-ups say or other children say. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any lessons. And I've organised lots of my videos into playlists so they're easier to find different categories like stories and videos and other areas of learning.